And this is a hugelkultur bed that I constructed below this black walnut, and I pollarded the black walnut pretty high up, and I ended up taking all limbs off of it this winter. And the purpose of this hugelkultur was to find out if I could grow crops in the hugelkultur underneath the black walnut. As I read a study where it talked about if you have a light, airy soil with a lot of bacteria, that bacteria will actually minimize the juglone in the walnut roots. So I planted a peach on, and the peach is growing. I got an elderberry, I got grapevines growing up it. So I guess these are all plants that are somewhat okay with black walnuts anyway. But I keep trying different things, and here I got a bed of ramps growing. And they're growing pretty well here. I got them all scattered out. When they get to be a whole bunch of them together like this, then I transplant them. So I'll wait until they've gone through their cycle and they're starting to die back. Then I'll transplant these bulbs. They divide. Here's a nice batch here. Look at that. Don't they look nice? So colorful. Let's get a picture of that. Yeah, right there. Over here. Oh, there's a little batch over here too. I didn't see. Growing with this currant. Up there's a little batch. So I got quite a few ramps. So I probably can harvest some. I might even harvest a bunch or two of these and eat them this year. There's a little batch of garlic. We're looking for some garlic today. I don't know if I'll take that one or not. I got some over here too. This is from an old batch. I actually have had them growing here for like 20 years. I should probably divide that up and plant it around out here just so I can say that they've been here for 50 years sometime down the road. When I'm too old and I can't even remember. Yeah, we're going to go back and get some garlic back there.